Hello everyone. Today I'm going to perform EDA Exploratory Data Analysis on an S-band stock price data. In this, we will explore the data set. So, we analyze trends and extract insights that can help investors make informed financial decisions. So, this project is crucial for anyone interested in stock market analysis, investment strategies, or data driven decision making. By the end of this, we will learn how to process financial data, visualize stock trends, and drive meaningful business recommendation. So let's get started. So your project name is S Bank, where project type is EDA, contribution is individual. Project summary. This project focuses on analyzing Yes Bank historical stock price to understand market trends, volatility, and key price movements. Using exploratory data analysis and visualizations, we extract meaningful insights to help traders, investors, and financial analysts make informed decisions. Key steps in the analysis: data collection, cleaning, EDA, data visualizations, business insights, and recommendations. So, we provide data driven insights to optimize investment decisions, help mitigate risk by understanding price fluctuations, offer trading strategies using historical patterns and technical indicators. So, here's my GitHub link where we will have our project. So, problem statement: Yes Bank, a major financial institution, has experienced fluctuation in its stock price over time. Investors and stakeholders need data driven insights to understand market trends, access risks, and make informed trading decisions. The key challenge is to analyze historical stock price data to identify patterns, trends, volatility, and correlation that can help optimize investment strategies. So, defining our business objectives, the primary objective is to analyze Yes Bank stock price movements, identify historical trends and volatility pattern in stock price, understand the relationship between open, high, low, and close price, determine seasonality or cyclical trends affecting stock performance, develop risk management strategies to minimize losses and maximize returns, provide actionable recommendation for traders, investors, and financial analysts. So here, let's begin with our data. As to know our data, we will import some libraries. Importing libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. For data set loading, we will use df is equal to pd dot read cs. So here, data set first view, we will view our data, df dot head, data set rows and columns, where we will get number of rows 185, number of columns 5. We will get data set information, df.info. We find out duplicate values where number of duplicate rows are 0. Missing values or null values where we will get missing values. And we will find out the visualization of missing values. Here, since dataset has no missing values, visualization of missing data with will no show no any gaps. So, what we learn about our data here by performing EDA, here we learn about the Yes Bank stock price dataset. It's basic dataset overview, missing value analysis, duplicate values, data distribution and outliers, correlation between features, stock price trends. Here. Now understanding with our variables. So dataset columns, we will get the column names. Dataset describes, where dataset statistic summary, we will get df.describe, and we will come to know the variable descriptions, where date is the date of the stock, price record, the open is the opening price of the stock for the day, the highest price of the stock on the day, the lowest price of the stock on that day, the closing price of the stock for the day. So check unique values for each variable. We will get unique values for each variables. Now, here we come with the data wrangling, where data wrangling code is used for cleaning and preparing data. Data wrangling involves cleaning and transforming the dataset for better analysis. So below are the key steps where we convert date column to date time. We check for missing values, handling missing values. So these are all manipulations. What we have manipulated and insights we found is we perform various data wrangling and exploratory data analysis steps on the data sets to ensure it is clean, structured, and ready for the future further analysis. Below is a summary of all manipulations and the key insights derived. So data manipulations performed is data loading and inspection, where loaded the dataset using Pandas, and data cleaning and handling outliers. So final summary of this insights is no missing or duplicate values, stock price fluctuate, outliers were removed, high correlation between stock price indicates synchronized movement. Moving averages helps in identifying trends for better decision making. Daily return provide insights into market volatility. Now here we come with our data visualization, storytelling, or experimenting with the charts. So understanding the relationship between variables, first chart is about a stock closing price over time, where we use a uh, sorry, where we use visualize for visualization. We use we time chart closing price over time was chosen to observe long-term trends in Yes Bank stock performance. The daily changes closing price chart help visualize short-term volatility. Missing value heat map was used to check data quality before analysis. Closing price over the time chart likely reveals trends such as steady growth, decline, or sudden fluctuations. So here we gain insight is identifying trends in stock price helps investors make informed decisions. Understanding volatility patterns can aid risk assessment and strategic trending. Next chart is about daily change in closing price, where a bar chart was chosen because it effectively represents day-to-day fluctuation in stock price. So the chart shows frequently the stock price changes and by how much. So traders and investors can use this information to plan entry and exit point. High volatility present trading opportunities for short-term gains. Next is relation between daily high and low price, where we use a scatter plot because it effectively shows the relationship between two numerical variables, daily high and low stock price. This chart helps identify patterns, correlation, and outliers in price movements. So, a strong positive correlation between daily high and low price indicates consistency in stock movement. So, if the high-low relationship is stable, it helps traders set a realistic stop loss and take profit point. Next chart is about distribution of daily closing price, where we use a box plot because it effectively shows the distribution variability and outliers in daily closing price. So here, if the box plot shows a narrow and stable distribution, it indicates a less volatile stock, which attracts long-term investors. Identifying outliers and price swings can help traders and develop risk management. So here next chart we use a relationship between opening and closing price, where again we use a scatter plot to visualize the relationship between opening and closing price of the stock. So this chart helps identify how closely the opening price predicts the closing price and whether there is a strong correlation. It allows for spotting outliers or anomalies. Here, a strong correlation between opening and closing price can help traders and investors predict market movements more effectively. Understanding intraday volatility, help traders plan better risk management. Next is distribution of daily percentage change in closing price, where we use a histogram was effectively shows the distribution of daily percentage changes in closing price. This helps in understanding the volatility of the stock by showing how frequently different levels of price changes occurs. It provides insights into whether stock returns follow a normal distribution or exhibit extreme fluctuations. Here, if the histogram shows a concentrate range of small daily change, it suggests a stable stock, which attract long-term investors. Understanding volatility helps traders and portfolio managers develop better risk management and hedging strategies. Next is stock trend area chart, where an area chart was chosen because it effectively represents the trend of closing price over time while also highlighting magnitude of change. Here, the general trend of the stock price is visible, whether it is increasing, decreasing, or fluctuating. So, positive impact is if the stock is in an uptrend, it reassures investors and encourage further investment. Recognizing long-term trends helps business and traders make informed investment decisions. Next is volume plot price spread, where a volume plot was chosen because it combines the benefit of box plot and a density plot, allowing us to see both the distribution and spread of stock price. So here, it helps traders understand how stock price fluctuate, allowing them to understand our strategies. Next is closing price density, where KD plot was chosen because it provides a smooth distribution of closing price over time. It helps identifying the most common closing price peaks in the data and overall price trends. Here, identifying common closing price ranges help traders make informed buy or sell decision. Recognizing price concentrate area can help investors set realistic entry and exit point. Here, 5-month moving average, where a line chart with the moving average overlay was chosen because it helped identify trends in closing price while smoothing our short-term fluctuations. So the 5-month moving average provides a clear view of the stock general directions, reducing noise from daily price changes. So this is useful trend following indicator that helps investors and traders access the movement and stability of the stock. Here, as there are any insights, identifying trend direction allows investors to make informed decisions about buying, holding, or selling the stock. A sustained upward trend boosts investors' confidence, leading to more capital inflow into the stock. Next is monthly returns bar chart, where a bar chart was chosen because it effectively displays the monthly return percentage over time, making it easy to compare performance across different months. The visualization helps identify periods of strong growth and decline, revealing seasonal trends or significant market movement. So, here, understanding which month trend tends to perform well can help investors time their buying and selling decision strategically. हिरा मी येऊन ना फटके देईन आता. काय सांगितलं होतं? व्हिडिओ करते बोलले होते का? काय तुझा माहित आहे ना. Here, understanding which market tends to perform well can help investors time their buying and selling decisions strategically. So next chart, where outliers in closing price. Here, a box plot was chosen because it is one of the best way to identify outliers and understand the distribution of closing price. If there are outliers above the upper risk, it suggests spikes in stock price, which could be due to positive news, earning reports, or strong market performance. So, identifying outliers helps investors understand abnormal price movement, allowing them to anticipate market shifts. If the majority of the price falls within a stable range, it boosts investors' confidence by showing low volatility. A high number of downward outliers could indicate frequent crashes, discouraging investors from holding long-term positions. Next is autocorrelation plot, stock price dependence, where an autocorrelation plot was chosen because it helps analyze the relationship between a stock closing price over time, which shows how past price influence future price, which is crucial for trend analysis and forecasting. If autocorrelation is high, traders can use trend following strategies to profit from momentum. Here, next is correlation heat map between stock price variables, open, high, low, close, where a correlation heat map was chosen because it provides a clear visual representation of the relationship between different stock price attributes. It helps identify strong positive or negative correlation, allowing for better analysis of how different factors influence stock price movement, where understanding which factors are strongly correlated can help investors and traders develop better trading strategies. If closing price and trading volume shows a pattern, businesses and investors can adjust their buying or selling decision accordingly. Last is pair plot relationship between price point, where a pair plot was chosen because it provides a detailed overview of relationship between multiple numerical variables, open, high, low, close. It helps visualize scatter plot for each pair of variables and their distribution in a diagonal histogram. This allows for spotting linear relationship, clusters, and potential anomalies in stock price movement. If the scatter plot shows a strong correlation, traders and analysts can use predictive model to estimate future price movement. Spotting price cluster can help businesses and investors adjust trading strategies during volatile period. Now coming to the solution, to business objective. After performing EDA on Yes Bank stock price dataset, the following insights and recommendation can help the client achieve their business objective. Where stock price trends. The closing price trend shows fluctuation with some period of strong upward or downward. Moving averages suggest long-term trends, helping in decision making for investment. Now, volatility analysis. The high-low price difference indicates significant volatility, meaning stock prices are highly fluctuating. This can create opportunities for short-term traders, but risk for long-term investors. Seasonality and trends, where monthly and weekly trend indicate that certain periods experience higher or lower stock prices. So understanding these trends can help in optimizing investment timing. So we come with a correlation between variables, where there are distinct periods of sharp upward or downward trends that can be leveraged for making buy or sell decisions. So here we come with a maximum profit by identifying the optimal or buying or selling point, reduces risk exposure through diversification and stop loss mechanism. So improve decision making using predictive analytics and technical indicators. So coming to the conclusion, after performing EDA on Yes Bank stock price dataset, we have gathered some critical insights that can enhance decision making for investors and traders. The stock price exists significantly volatility, presenting both opportunities and risk for short-term and long-term investors. Historical trends, correlation, and seasonal patterns, moving averages and price change patterns, strong correlation between open, high, low, and close price, risk management strategies. So, finally, to achieve the business objective, the client should leverage technical analysis, implement risk management, explore predictive modeling and machine learning to forecast future stock trends, monitor market news, and sentiment analysis to anticipate price fluctuation effectively. So, by adopting a data driven investment approach, the client can maximize return while minimizing risk, leading to more profitable and informed trading decisions. So here I completed my S Bank EDA project. Thank you.